Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Host, as always. My name is Host. Y'all. Oh, skirt. Let's back that thing up. Okay, y'all. My name is Chris, and this is the Cheryl Technology Channel. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a good thumbs up and all that business. You know that jazz. And we are back with the second part of Kasm. Yes, you guessed it. This is I think, one of the most epic pieces of software I believe I've ever seen. I've really never seen anything like it. So last time we did the install on Ubuntu Server 2204. Let's go. And now we're going to install the backend stuff for the workspace setting. Originally, it took me a while to find it, but it used to be here under users. There used to be a bar here that you would use to I got to delete this local user too. There used to be a bar up here that you could get to the images, but now you have to go to workspaces and then registry. So what we're going to do is let's see, we have remaining space 16 gig. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to expand my storage on my VMware. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install that. So then it got done. You can see I'm at 64% full right now, and I just installed one image. So it went from like 30-something% to 64% as soon as I installed the image, just like that. I'm snapping my fingers in case y'all are wondering. So if we go to installed workspaces, now we can see this one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sign out as an administrator, and we're going to sign in as oh crap, what was it? User, I think, at kasm.local, I believe it was, and then my password is this because I changed it. Okay, now as you can see, so the environment here is called workspaces. So you do everything in this workspace. So what we're going to do is we're going to just click on this, open in a new tab, launch session. Let's see what happens. Oh, this is so freaking awesome. That was less than 10 seconds, y'all. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. I don't even know what to say, y'all. I really truly don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Well, I'm not speechless. Okay, you know what? Let's open up Open Office. Allow? Are you kidding me? Dude, this is freaking quick. How is this so fast? What? This is faster than like running a virtual machine on my computer. How? Dude, I would highly, okay, let's delete the session. Destroying session. Oh my goodness. Okay, so y'all know what that means, right? So if you create a session and you break something, you go over to the left, delete the session, get rid of it, done. Oh my goodness, y'all. I would highly recommend that y'all follow my first tutorial on this and go in and do this, because I have a friend, I think, IT Unicorn, shout out to Damien, who I believe would love this. He would absolutely love this stuff. What could be done? So you literally can do anything. Like, you can literally choose from any of those images. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can resume it. What? That is so freaking cool, dude. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like it, bro. Especially for the speed. The speed is incredible. As y'all probably know, I think it's running in a Docker container. It's probably why it's so fast. And you see this is actually set up to be for like enterprise level type stuff. It looks like, because like all these, Nextcloud is it's a backup service. Zoom, as y'all know, is a web, like a meeting type thing. That's a programming. I'm not sure what Signal is. I'd highly recommend y'all go check this out. This is some pretty darn cool stuff. I could technically do this with anything. I really could just I don't even know what to say. So y'all, I really want y'all to take a look at this and really experiment with what it means to do this. Y'all, I highly recommend you follow my first video. Go out and check that out. Like, comment, subscribe, and always remember, the Lord loves you, and so do I. And until next time, everybody, thank you for watching. Peace.